Hey guys, this is Alexis, Sophia Leather. This video, I want to talk about this prototype that I put together the other day. This is a prototype. I'm going to change a couple of things. We're going to go over that in this video, but my wife did help me create this bag. So let's talk about this bag and what I foresee in the future. So let's go over it. Okay, so this is basically my executive briefcase minus the flap, okay? A couple things different is the total dimension. This is gonna be 14 by 11 versus 16 by 12, okay? And I've been using it for about a week. So it does fit absolutely everything that's needed. A couple things that I do different. On my second prototype is gonna be, you notice how this does not want to stand up? That's because I did a wraparound method, right? I wrapped the whole piece around and just did a gusset this way versus a gusset all the way around. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like this. This way it could stand up just like this. Hold on, my camera's acting funky. There we go. This way it could stand up because right now this is absolutely bothering me, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and install a shoulder strap. I was just discussing this with my wife earlier. A shoulder strap back here, okay, the same. And instead of having one handle, I'm gonna go ahead and keep this version the same with two handles, but I am gonna institute this style with the D-rings. All the D-rings on this bag is gonna be a little bit smaller than these D-rings. These D-rings are 1.25 inches. I'm gonna go with 1-inch D-rings. This way the whole feel of the bag is just a little bit smaller footprint. The handles as well are gonna be 1 inch versus 1.25 inches. But you know, working with this for a week, I found this to be comfortable. If it was just one strap, I'd want a beefier one, like 1.25 inches like this. But because there's two, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it with this dimension, which is 1 inch. The shoulder strap is gonna remain the same. I'm gonna have two shoulder strap here. That's gonna be 1.25 inches. I found this width to be really comfortable. Now, as far as the closure system, this is something that my wife designed, and she wanted not something super robust, like my briefcase, but something that will give her a little more security and will prevent the bag from opening up, and just to stop any kind of documents or laptops from actually coming out. And we utilize a lock system, so I like that look. As far as this front pocket, you see that front pocket, the gusset? That's a nightmare. I'm not doing that ever again. I'm gonna keep it simple, just like this, okay? One big sleeve that you can actually stuff a lot of stuff in there. I have a book in there, but you can put cables, anything. And I might just keep it, she wants it straight across the line, no dip right here, with no locking mechanism, so that she can easily get in and out. So I'm gonna keep it simple that way. The inside is gonna have a laptop sleeve like everything else. It's right here. All right, just to recap, my goal and my aim for this bag is to produce these and have these ready to go on my website. And I have to kind of sort out some different colors. I'm gonna keep the earthy tones for now. Yeah, this is my first prototype. Let me know what you guys think about it, or the design, what I want to do with it, and a name. I need a name for it. The other ones are called executive briefcase. This is called an executive briefcase. So, I don't know, I have to come up with a design. But this is essentially a cross between my tote bag and my briefcase. And this is not the final product, you guys know that. This is just, I even have purple in there because I ran out of other colors. So I had to put purple. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. God bless you. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.